That's scary. Oh wait, this is the phone.
Not a phone. We have RGB plants.
I know you like cock.
I can't cover my eyes. When she covered her eyes on the VR ride.
Yo, we're here. I'm very excited, and it's time for CES. I have been wanting to come to CES my entire life. You guys know how big of a tech guy I am. I've always wanted to come to this. It's a big industry event. It's very buttoned up. It's gonna be different than most convention streams. We're gonna look at a lot of new tech. We're gonna check out the Razer booth here in a few minutes.
We'll start with right over here. So this is our a new colorway for our first ever wireless PS5 and PC controller. There's switches on the back where you can change between using a PC or PlayStation and wired or wireless.
Okay. I have my base PlayStation controllers.
Yeah.
And they don't charge unless they're plugged into the PS5. I don't know why.
I mean, I could get you a charging dock. We make those too.
Yeah, but I want a reason to have this.
Well, I know a guy, Esfand.
I want this one though.
So, have you checked out Razer Edge at all?
No, I have not.
Well, this is my baby.
Okay.
I've been working on this guy for the better part of a year.
So what was the one before this called?
Well, this is the Kishi.
The Kishi, that's right.
So the Kishi is the controller that's strapped to this. This is the Razer Edge. This is our...
Oh wait, this is the phone.
It's not a phone. Not a phone. I'm gonna say not a phone a million times.
It's not a phone.
It's not a phone. This is an ultimate Android gaming handheld. So,
the ultimate Android gaming handheld.
Yeah. Not a phone.
Not a phone.
Not a phone. I'm gonna drop a lot of specs on you real fast.
Okay.
And you're like the only person I trust to keep up. That's shots fired at you, Chad.
Chad, take notes. Ready?
All right.
Quiz on this.
So, 6.8-inch AMOLED FHD Plus display going at 124 hertz refresh rate. It's got Gorilla Glass 5, 288 hertz sampling rate. That's the screen. That is a best-in-class screen.
It's better than my monitor.
It is the best. It is the best screen, period, available on any dedicated gaming handheld. This starts at $399.99, so half the price for the exact.
Wait, this is only $399?
Yeah. For the Wi-Fi version, yeah.
How?
What else we got? Oh my God, this guy right here. I know you're a tech nerd, so CES is about showcasing new technology.
Yeah.
Like, that's like never before. So we always have concept products.
Okay.
This year's no different. This is Carol. So, imagine you have 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound system. Those two speakers right there, those two 40mm drivers, function as the back two channels. So you have near field surround sound. So if you're sitting in your gaming chair, you're either playing a game or watching a movie. We have a demo of it in the back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you do. It's pretty awesome. We got two more things to show you.
Okay. Oh yeah.
We have RGB plants.
Wait, what?
You see the RGB plants?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. They're RGB plants.
Oh, sick. So you can replace these.
You want to see laptops or you want to see VR?
Yes. Laptops and VR. But I definitely want to see laptops.
Love it.
Wait, is there an extra laptop here? I forgot to bring one. See, that's what you do. You put them on the spot and you ask them on camera.
They're not out yet. I can't give you ones that aren't out.
Oh, frick.
If they were out,
that's a good excuse.
The Blade 18. We've never made an 18-inch chassis before.
18-inch. Okay.
Doesn't look gigantic. Doesn't look too big.
I want the biggest, baddest anything that I get. So I'm from Texas. Bigger is better. So lay it on me. You know.
What's interesting about this?
That's a 4090.
Yes.
How do you fit a 4090? My 4090 at home is bigger than my laptop. That's not even fair.
This scales all the way up to 4090. So what makes this 18 so cool? We didn't. Well, yes, obviously. We're gonna make like an Esfand wig and put it on and be like, this is Esfand's 18.
Nice.
What makes the
legal? Anyway, then you. I slept 2 hours. Sorry.
You gotta get HR called on me during this interview.
Hey, I said it, not Will. You're good.
Basically, you change whether you want creator or gamer mode in Synapse, and then it does a quick restart of the system in order to natively be in that resolution. Basically, honestly, a restart takes like 15 seconds.
Yeah. That's sick. I mean, it's just literally just like,
Yeah. Well,
That fast.
you're changing like what you want to do with the system. So it's a dual function system that gives you way more options than you have otherwise.
that's badass. That's sick. See, that's
wild.
well, dude. Well, here's the thing. I always go to conventions. I need to have a laptop. Like, I'll bring it, and I'm like, oh, and I'm not using it, or whatever. Like, I'll bring it, and like, I mean, I'll just be honest. It's weighing heavy on my heart. End of the season is this week, and I'm out of town for a week, and I haven't been pushing grading. I don't have it in me. We're not gonna go for live this season.
All I gotta say is wow.
I know, wow, classic. But if I had this,
I gotta run though.
okay, dude,
You got to see.
This
You
is
got to
sick.
see everything in the booth.
Huge hearts in the chat for Razor hooking us up, getting us at CES. So thank you. Really, really happy. I mean, I tweeted about this earlier, but like literally coming to CES is like a dream come true for me. Hi, absolutely.
I saw you. We're the ones that made the VR costume.
Oh, you are? Oh, nice. That's your guys' company.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
It's super comfy. Yeah, super comfy.
Can we send you one?
Sure. Can you send me the headset too?
Sure. I mean, if that's what you want, seriously.
Yeah.
You didn't have a chance to try.
No, I didn't try. I didn't have a chance to try it on yet. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. I don't think anybody else is streaming this. If I could get in every year, I would love to stream CES every year. So what do you guys do?
원래는 뭐 어떤 걸 바꿀 수 있는지.
사실 여기 나오는 건 거의 거의 안 돼요. 커스텀은 아예 좀 완전 다른 건데.
There's a one with the customizable keyboard, but it's not this one.
Oh, okay.
And we didn't display out to them.
Oh, you didn't display it. Okay. Cool.
That's what they do, and they spent 30 seconds discussing what they do.
Yeah, that was, I learned. Hey, yeah, sure thing, dude.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, of course, dude. What did I say?
Yeah, you too.
That's the first one of the day. I don't think we'll get a lot of those. What is it, Arbion? What is this? AR social media?
I think I was saying words at this point. Wait, what is this? Wait, there's pizza.
So this content is just decoration by ourselves. Hey guys, hi, how you doing?
How's it going? So what is it that you guys are doing here?
Yeah, let me introduce myself. Our service name is RBN. RBN is basically augmented reality social networking app
Okay.
service. You can download our service in your mobile phone soon. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
You got like the Dunkin' Donuts right there.
our experience starts around any object like
Okay.
that. So if you want to curious something, so you cook. Do you like cook?
Yeah, it's good.
You know, how many drink
love
a day?
Yeah, 100.
So by scanning this,
Oh, he's scanning. Look.
by scanning system, you can find various AR contents around this kind of cock.
What?
So if you want to buy this cock more in your house,
Okay.
so touch these cards, move to the Walmart about this cock. You know.
Yeah.
So take it easy. So without complicated process, so simple, so
Cool.
easy, and then
So you can just buy as much Coke as you want.
yeah. So
You can take a picture of something and then it scans it and then you can put anything around it.
yeah, and
So for me, can I take a picture of myself and give myself friends?
right. That's
Nice. Okay. Yeah.
Let me try.
Okay.
So, I know you like cock, okay?
A big fan.
Yeah. So, first I'm scanning this, and then press this plus button,
Okay.
and then choose this card, and then turn on the camera mode, and then let me take a picture here.
Oh, okay.
Great. So,
Oh, nice. Now I'm famous.
on top your pictures. So when you touch your pictures, move to the true dimension. So I like you.
Yeah.
I like you.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I like you
Yes.
too.
And also, it is possible to communicate immediately with another user.
Yeah.
So when I choose this chat, chat. So join this live chat about this code.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you can have a whole group of people talking about the code.
So I need something further, please.
Oh, let's look. Hello, look.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Say me. And then.
So everybody can talk about the.
Yeah.
So we can have a whole group of friends sitting here, like we look at a pizza, and we can all talk about the pizza through text.
Yeah, right. I love talk. How about you?
Yeah, I love it. It's great.
You?
Yeah, cool.
Yes. We can communicate with any user
Look at this.
like this. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's
So
amazing.
we have another functional experience. This mode is AR Cut. AR Cut is creative AR contents tool to your guys.
Oh, so you can take a picture of something.
Yes,
cut it out?
if you are drawing something on the papers by yourself.
Okay,
so,
like I draw something.
Yeah, and then focus these pictures and try to scan it. Align these pictures.
Oh, then.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's really Einstein.
Thank you.
Like?
It's Albert Einstein.
Let me try to focus these pictures and scan this button. Einstein is alive.
Einstein's alive.
You're alive.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow, he says hello.
You God. Hey,
I'm a god.
I'm sorry, Einstein, to touch your face.
Talking. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's actually sick. Yeah, anyway, I'll let you go, but I appreciate it. I appreciate the demo.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
have a nice day.
Let me give you my name.
Oh, yeah.
I am Justin Lee and working as the CBO in RBN. Okay.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Okay.
Nice.
So,
All right, well, have a nice day. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
I can't cover my eyes. This is torture. I have no legs. I have no. When she covered her eyes on the VR ride.
That's sick.
Did it feel realistic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, was that cool?
Yeah, sure. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Is it really that scary? There's no way it's that scary. I hate roller coasters. I actually hate roller coasters. What the hell? Okay, well, let's ask. I'll try. Can I try? Can I try? Oh, frick. Am I gonna fit in this? This is Korean size. I'm a little bit bigger than most Koreans. Oh, okay. Right. 2 eyes. Okay. I'm ready. Dude, you feel the wind. Oh no.
Good luck. Good luck.
I'm 300 pounds. Is that okay? Okay. Whoa, frick.
Good luck.
What the frick? What? Why is my brain doing this? That's crazy, dude. Dude, your brain it flips into like thinking it's actually real. And I'm like, why? I know it's not real, but why am I like, that's wild. What the heck? I could play quarterback for the Dolphins after that. That's crazy. That was wild. What the heck? That was insane, dude. I know I wasn't moving that fast, but like I would feel like my stomach churn like I was moving that fast. That was crazy. Dude, oh my gosh. The future. The future of entertainment. You guys want to go outside and play soccer? No. It's football. No, that's not what we're talking about. No, they're just gonna do this, and they'll play in their brains.
The Sony Honda car.
What?
Sony's coming out with a car.
Car?
Whoa, this looks sick.
Yeah. What? When is this coming out? This looks nuts. When is this coming out?
2026.
2026. Ooh, what? Smart mirror.
This is our new production. We have series of smart mirror. In front of this, you can do some sports.
Like football?
Yeah, football. You can, but we suggest you do some indoor fitness. We also have this one, which can be installed in front of the clothing shelf.
Okay.
It is beauty mirror.
Oh.
Yes.
So you're more beautiful and you can check
Yes.
your emails.
Yes. It can recommend you what kind of makeup suits you well.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So this will make you prettier.
Yes.
I need that. Oh, look, I have so much makeup on.
Yes.
Wait, so you don't even have to do makeup anymore. You can just take a picture and say I'm with makeup, and then you send it on Instagram. Yeah. How much does the mirror cost?
This one $500.
$500.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. See, I like the idea of these like ultra wide screens. Chad, should I get good at FPS games? How's that even fair? You die in 2 shots? How's that even realistic? What the? Guys, do you think I could get good at FPS games? Like if I tried, like if I wanted to. Oh, that was sick! Oh, that was sick! Guys, battery is almost out on the backpack. I think we're gonna go ahead and call it now. We will be back at CES tomorrow. Tomorrow we want to check out Samsung, Gobi booth. We'll go hit up Linus Media. We have the Tron bike. There's a lot of stuff that we still haven't done yet. We will do this for either 1 or 2 more days, probably. I have not decided. There's a small chance that we do it for 3 more days.